So I've seen a bunch of guys trying to figure out wiring schematics and wiring routing for this LED illuminated light for the front of their Lincoln Continentals. And a lot of guys like it to come on with just the daytime running lamps. I'm one of those guys. I wanted it to come on with just the daytime running lamp itself. So I want to show you a quick, simple install on this. This is a 2-wire style. It has a red and a white wire on it. And I'll show you real quick that it does work with my just the basic unlock and lock feature. So there it goes, and illuminated with daytime running lamps. Then go ahead and hit the unlock button, and off it goes. So real quick, simple install. When you're in this harness here, so this is the driver's side headlight harness, there is a blue and white wire. It's where your positive red is going to go into, and on the underside of that harness, down at the bottom, there is a black and green wire. That is going to be your ground wire. That will allow you to do this thing completely the right way. Quick, simple install. No hassles, no extra wiring.